A Sports. It's in the game.
Hey everyone, this is Mike DeVault from the Tiger Woods PGA Tour 13 team. And I'm here today to talk to you about some great new features we have in this year's game. What if I told you there was a way you could earn coins faster? Well, you can with our new Country Clubs feature. You can either create a new club or join an existing one. Once you're a member of a club, you'll begin earning status to start leveling your club up. Let's talk about status a little bit more. So how exactly do you earn status? Well, just by playing rounds of golf in the game. Just like coins, every round you play, you will earn status for you and your club. As you and the members of your club accumulate status, your club will level up. Members of a high-level club will earn more coins in the game than members of an entry-level club. There are all sorts of other incentives within the Country Clubs feature to help you and your team members earn more coins, like Country Club objectives, weekly status leaderboards, weekly individual objectives, and the daily loyalty bonus award. The Country Club team objectives allow you and your teammates to work together to complete objectives and earn more status for the club to help it level up. The individual Country Club awards give status to the member of the club that finishes first in a number of different stat categories each week. The weekly status leaderboard pits you against the other members of your club. The member who earns the most status for the club that week gets a fat coin bonus. Here's a hint. The higher your club level is, the higher your payout's going to be. The daily loyalty bonus gives you an award for playing the game each day. If you come in and play 4 consecutive days in a row, you'll earn a nice coin payout. So as you can see, being a member of a country club definitely has its benefits. So make sure you create a club and invite your friends to join in.